What? Everybody out of the middle.
Right here?
Right here. All right. Let's bring the pizzas up. We will give you the rules. Everybody move down a bit that way so this man can sit and eat. Come on. Oh, these are the best pizzas in all of Little Italy. Ruberville, at this moment, open your water. You will open the box. When I count to 3, you will begin. 1, 2, 3, 8.
Let's go! Manja!
Let's go!
Come on, guys!
The wind.
Come on, keep it ready.
We have a couple of different strategies. We have the fold, we have the flat.
Oh, I have no idea. He's doing time over here.
All right. Piece number 2 over here. Piece number 2 already. Couple of different strategies.
You're cheating. You can't put it in your pocket for later. Now.
Oh, let's go. Don't give
A
up.
little bit faster.
Oh my God, this is
Number 3 on the end, the man to beat.
It's Indy. Save your trust for later.
See, what we did this year is different.
Number 3 on the end, the man to beat.
We added wind to close the boxes.
No, it's on slice number 4.
Don't look at the guy and
The man to beat on the end.
crushed it all, everything.
Oh, we have multiple folds now. Now we're doing multiple pieces at a time down here.
Two at a time.
Multiple pieces at a time. Come on,
No, it's on slice number 5.
3 slices left.
There's only 3 slices left.
Come on, guys, step it up. Step it up.
3 minutes down. 3 minutes down.
No, it couldn't break the record. The record is 6 minutes.
The record is 6.
Remember, 6-minute record.
The record is.
We are at 6, ladies and gentlemen. The man to beat at the end. Don't get discouraged down here. Keep eating.
If you have a camera and you want to come up over here. Be on the kill. Come on up. Stand over here.
The carb coma starting to kick in.
Oh my God, he's almost done. They're eating 2 at a time.
2 left.
These 2 at the end have only 2 slices left.
2 slices left.
4 minutes down. 4 minutes down. Will we have a new record?
Minutes down. 2 slices to go. We're on number 7.
Slice number 7.
One slice to go. And there's one.
Halfway through slice number 6.
Nobody. All the action is at the end. The end.
Halfway through slice number 7. All crust gone. All crust gone. Nothing left on his plate.
He's just 1 slice away.
Do we have more water?
No more water.
Here goes slice number 8.
Slice number 8. What's the time?
Unbelievable.
8
hand. Enjoy it too.
Fantastic. Everybody enjoyed the pizza?
And Anthony here got third place. Give it up for all of our contestants that came out and ate a lot of pizza.
Nicely done, everyone. Congratulations.
A new record, ladies and gentlemen, a new record. 5 minutes to consume an entire pie.
You beast!